じゃがいものパイを作ってみたのです。マドマゼル、よろしければ。
おいしい。
幸せ。
Hey guys, today we'll make the potato paille from Onepiece. Paille means straw in French, so the name of the recipe is actually straw potatoes, which is quite funny since they are all part of the straw hats. Anyways, without further ado, it's quite a short recipe, so let's get started. To begin with, we'll need potatoes. A potato with a high starch content and low moisture would be ideal. So, I'm using these russet potatoes. First, we'll start by peeling the potatoes. Once the potatoes are undressed, we'll cut off the edge so that we can balance it better while cutting the potatoes. Now, cut them as thinly as you can. This is a test of your knife skills. Usually, I say size doesn't mean everything, but in this case, it unfortunately does. Once you've cut it into coins, then we'll cut them into straws. You can also use a mandolin slicer if you have one, but it isn't necessary. In the end, it should look something like this. After that, we'll wash our potatoes with cold water. This is to get rid of any excess starch. Once the water is clear, then add some vinegar and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then we'll get the potatoes out and dry them with some paper towels like this. Now we can start with frying the potatoes. Heat up some frying oil to a temperature of 160 degrees Celsius. I'm using sunflower oil. Then drop the potatoes into the oil. Let it slowly fry until it turns into a beautiful golden color, almost like Sanji's hair color. After about 5 to 6 minutes of frying, the potatoes were almost done. And then I'll do one extra step to bring some more flavor to them and finish them. First, we'll slice some garlic very finely until it turns into a paste like this. After that, we'll remove the leaves from a rosemary sprig until we got a bunch of leaves like this. Then, we'll heat up about a 1/4 cup of butter, and to that, we'll add the garlic and rosemary. Let it cook for a bit until the flavors are beautifully infused. After that, add the potatoes to the flavored butter and mix it up. Add some salt to taste, and with that, Sanji's potato paille from Onepiece is done. Now we can start with the plating. We'll start by making a beautiful golden hill of potatoes. Then we'll layer some rosemary leaves on top. And to finish off, we'll top it with a beautiful parsley leaf. And that's it, Sanji's potato paille from Onepiece. So, now we can start tasting the dish. This tasted really nice. It tasted like some crispy fries with a nice garlic rosemary flavor. You can't go wrong with that. It was really good. I didn't want to finish it because later on I was gonna eat some steak, and I thought this was the perfect side dish to accompany my steak. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.